In this guide, I'm going to show you how to mark a Jira issue as a duplicate. Whether you're an experienced Jira user or someone just stepping into project management, knowing how to keep your workspace clean and organized is essential. Duplicate issues can easily appear when multiple teammates are reporting similar problems, but Jira makes it simple to identify and manage them properly. Let's walk through the steps so you can confidently tidy up your boards and keep everything efficient. Start by navigating to the Your Work section in Jira. This is your personal dashboard where you'll see all the tasks, issues, and projects currently connected to you. Think of it as your main command center that helps you stay on top of everything. Once you're there, find and select the project that contains the issue you want to manage. Projects in Jira act like containers where all related tasks, backlogs, and workflows are stored, making it much easier to find what you need. After choosing your project, head over to the backlog. This area holds every task that hasn't been started yet and is the primary place for planning and reviewing upcoming work. With the backlog open, scroll through and select the specific issue you suspect is a duplicate. Clicking on it will bring up a detailed view showing the description, comments, and status. Reading this carefully will help you confirm whether the issue truly matches another one in the project. Once you're sure it's a duplicate, click on Add to create an association. This is where Jira lets you link issues together so your team can easily understand their relationships. After clicking Add, choose the option Linked Issue. A menu will appear asking you to specify how the issues are related. This is where you'll mark it as a duplicate. Doing this helps prevent confusion, keeps work centered on the primary issue, and avoids wasted time on repeated tasks. Jira will now ask you to type in the ID or title of the issue you want to link to. Begin typing and Jira's autocomplete will help you locate it quickly. Make sure you select the correct issue to avoid connecting the wrong tasks. Click on the one that matches and the system will immediately link your selected issue to the original. After that, hit link to finalize everything. At this point, the issue is officially marked as a duplicate. Anyone who views it will see the connection clearly and understand that the work should focus on the original issue. This keeps your workflow organized, reduces clutter, and helps your team remain aligned. Maintaining clean issue tracking not only improves your project's structure but also boosts team productivity and clarity. When everyone understands which issue is the main source, it prevents unnecessary rework and streamlines the entire process. By following these steps, you now have a reliable and straightforward method for marking duplicate issues in Jira. This technique enhances your project management routine, keeps your boards well structured, and improves communication across your team. A clean workflow always leads to better results, fewer mistakes, and smoother collaboration. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to explore even more Jira features, because mastering these tools can truly transform the way you manage tasks. Happy task managing, and see you in the next walkthrough.